What's up, guys? Young Speed back. So, before we get into today's video, if you haven't already, go subscribe to my channel. We're already at 171 subscribers. Let's get up to 200. We going hard 2024. Sorry I haven't been posting because the last video I posted, as you can see, was 8 months ago. I've been busy. But anyway, for today's video, we're going to talk about how to get a password manager how to get passwords syncing and working on Samsung Internet. As you all know, majority of us like Samsung Internet. And now it's even available for Windows. But even me personally, I don't use it because it can't autofill my passwords. But I have an answer to that. And that answer is, when it loads, it's called Bitwarden. I was waiting for it to load up. Bitwarden will work on Samsung Internet. So here's what you do. So first, go into the Play Store. Once you go into the Play Store, sorry for taking so long, download Bitwarden. This one will actually work. Go open it. You may have to set up an account and stuff. I already synced on my logins and everything. But once you do that, first, let me go into the settings portion. Hold on. Go into autofill. Once you go into autofill, turn on accessibility. You must turn on accessibility, otherwise it won't work in Samsung Internet. And then turn this off for now. Turn off autofill services. Do not turn it on. But use it. Also turn on use inline autofill. This will also help you. Scroll down. The copy TOTP automatically, you can use it. That's really up to you. It doesn't really affect it. And then you can also use ask to add login. That's pretty much it. So now, once you turn those on, both of those, once you turn it on, especially the accessibility one, it'll take you to accessibility. Once you turn that on, hold on, just in case y'all can hear us better. Okay, sorry, I had to adjust it. Once y'all turn this on, go back into the home page. Now go into your settings. Once you go into your settings, scroll down, go into general management. It may be different based on your One UI version. Once you go into general management, scroll down, go into autofill service. Go into autofill service. Once you do that, change this, just click on it. Then go to click Bitwarden. But you're not done yet, so don't give up after this. Once you do this, go back. Go into accessibility right below it. When you go into accessibility, look for install services. Go into install services, see Bitwarden, click on it, and then turn it on. Let me turn it off real quick for y'all. Turn this off also. And so I'm gonna turn it on. It'll ask all of this. Click allow. Don't worry, it doesn't really do nothing. Click allow again, and so then it'll tell you about the accessibility shortcut. Once you do that, go back to Bitwarden. Once you go into Bitwarden, make sure that these are still turned on. This draw over, this will be a backup plan just in case. But now once this is done, your autofill should work. So now let's go into Samsung Internet and test it. Before the load, let's go to Google, for example, because I'm not signing into Google. Because I just set up Samsung Internet specifically for this. Go into sign in. Now let's see it. See, give it a few seconds. It should show up. Now you see, it does not appear. Hold on, let's try one more website just in case to make sure that it's not just tweaking right now. Go into Microsoft before it fully load. Click the person. Let's see. Honestly, the fix for that is simple. So what you do, just go into device care. So once you go into device care, do not click optimize right away. Go to memory, because you must exclude it first. Once you go to memory, scroll down, see excluded apps. Make sure when you click the plus, make sure you add Bitwarden. Make sure it's excluded. Now, once you do that, now click clean. So just let it clean. You don't have to even click you don't have to go and do optimization after this. So now once it's clean, go to Samsung Internet, go back into it. And now let's try it. So now once you click it, it'll tell you that it's locked. It's asking for my face, but or my master key, my master password. So you just enter your master password, and so now you should have autofill. So let me enter my master password really quickly. As you see, now it's showing all my passwords. But see, that's pretty much it. Once we go into Google, let's try Google, for example. Go to Google, click sign in. And now, as you can see, it works. That's pretty much it. If you haven't, please like, comment, subscribe. Turn on post notification bell. Make sure it's set so you get notified every time I post a video. Other than that, that's pretty much it. Young Speed out.